The sea was angry that day, my friends.
Supposed to detect today, but as you can see, no, I don't think so, unless we find something a little bit down that we can detect on, but I don't think we're going to be digging here. Sorry. All right, there is no dig today. The waves are coming up, there is no beach, so we're gonna call it, but I just want to say thank you very much to 𝗘𝗫𝗖𝗔𝗟𝗕 for thinking about me. So right on, right on.
And it was wonderful to meet Liz finally and get to see her and do a little bit of digging. It was a little bit of digging, but not too much.
Right on, right on.
And I have something to present to
oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Made in the backyard myself from the trees in the back garden.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's homemade maple syrup! Oh my god. Oh my god. I am like, holy smokes. Get out of here. Oh my gosh. Right on, right on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Oh my goodness, right on, right on, right on. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness.